In this video, you'll learn a technique for joining edges that's quite useful as well as pretty. It's sometimes called faggoting when used to join panels of fabric or Russian bars in needle lace. We'll call it cinching because it's often used to zip up two edges or cinch out the slack in a piece. You may recall using it in the cross-knit looping e-course as an elastic option for joining the front and back live edges at the base of a flat pouch. Like many things in looping, it's a simple variation based on needle entry orientation. To sample this, secure a thread if one isn't already available and anchor it near the top of an area you want to cinch by making a looping stitch. Now work your way down, alternating stitches between the two live edges and throwing the thread each time so that the needle passes over the working thread on each stitch. Here's what cinching looks like on the sunglasses case from the unit on back and forth fillings. You may want to rotate the piece as you work until you get the rhythm. When the area you're cinching gets wider, you may want to beef up the thread by whipping it back over itself as you move toward the alternate live edge. Cinching is a great way to add an open, lacy element to contrast with a dense area, or to show off a substrate. We'll talk more about design concepts like these in the next video. I'll see you there.